Right, right.
Assalamualaikum Huzur.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Rashid Ahmad. My question is how to eliminate laziness.
You see, it is willpower. Make sure that you get up early in the morning, offer Tahajjud prayer, and do Fajr prayer, and then start your work. And if you haven't had enough sleep during the night time, you can also sleep for 1 hour, then start doing your job. So it all depends on your willpower, how strong you are. If you say, oh, no, I'm feeling sleepy, I should go to bed again, then you should not get up early in the morning, then you will remain lazy all the time. Right? So you have to be strong enough to overcome your laziness. Okay? It all depends on you.
Okay.
How strong you are, how strong your willpower is. Right? Okay, sit down.
Jazakallah Huzur.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Now time is over. Then Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In charge sahib, do you want to say something? Secretary Waqf now.
Yes, Huzur. We also thank for Huzur for the blessed guidance and advice to Waqaf Now in Indonesia. Please pray for the progress and the betterment
Allah
of
bless
Waqaf
you all,
Now Indonesia.
and Allah bless you all, and Allah also make each and every Waqf Now to strengthen his bond of Waqf Now and strengthen his bond to the Khilafat-e-Ahmadiyya, and work hard for the betterment of the Jamaat. Right? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.